Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall, skilla.
Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Just some things I want to talk to you about in this video. Alright, first up, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a person who had been accused of stealing at least one thing that belongs to someone. Now, I got unconfirmed information as to what the person had been accused of stealing, but because the information is unconfirmed information, I will not mention what the person had been accused of stealing. And you can also ask me certain questions in the comment section of the video as well to viewers and subscribers. Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is so that you can take a look at the video and see the way how a person who you can see in the video was behaving somewhat suspicious, viewers and subscribers. So what I'm saying to you. Alright, so please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Alright, look at the way the person put on the bag. Look right there, is that? See? Look at the way how the person was looking about. Look. You see what I go on this, sir? You see that? Hold on. Let me slow down a piece of the video right there. So I'm going to slow down a piece of the video because I believe that the person was behaving somewhat suspicious. Yes, so I said to you, look at this part of the video. Notice that the person put a bag at a certain spot. Yes, what I say? Look. Notice me I play the video in a slow motion way. Look. See how the person, this is what the person do? Push the bag to a certain spot. You know, just look. And look at the other person who you can see, you know, somewhat within the area where the person was at, and then you see the person walk away. Now look at how the person behave. Look how the person hold on to the bag. Look at that. Eh? Take notice of one little thing will look like some form of stick or whatever. I don't know what that is. You see? The person even gone with that. Now that look really suspicious, my people, because when the person that put on the bag, me never see the person did a hold on to no form of stick nor anything like that, and then the person walk away with that. So in my point of view, that person was behaving suspicious, viewers and subscribers. Really suspicious, and that look away, alright? So let me know what you think about that video or that situation. Alright, so on to another topic. Now I saw pictures posted on social media that shows a man wearing men's clothing while wearing women's high heel shoes. And I read quite a number of articles that also includes news articles about that man. Now, some of you might have heard about this man before. Some of you might even be wondering why there are articles about this man, viewers and subscribers. Some of you might be wondering why comments or some people talk about this man on social media. Well, I am going to explain to you in my words and according to how I understand some of those articles that I read about that man, viewers and subscribers. But I want you to please bear in mind that I am not able to confirm if those words that I read in those articles are accurate, and I'm not able to confirm if those words that I read in those articles are true. But me just give you my understanding that I got from those articles that I read about that man. So please bear that in mind, viewers and subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, so now some of those articles that I read said that the man is a pastor. I didn't read all of the articles, them viewers and subscribers, because there are quite a number of them viewers and subscribers. See? So some of the articles them when we read said that the man is a pastor. And also said that the man preached while wearing women's high heel shoes. Some of those articles that I read said that the man claimed that God told him or God directed him to wear women's high heel shoes. Let me read some words from one of those articles to you. So one of those articles have words that includes, according to him, which is the man, he used to wear men's shoes and suffered body pains and many other illnesses as a result. But ever since he heeded the direction of God to switch to high heels, he has been relieved. Don't you have men's high heel shoes, viewers and subscribers? Eh? Do you have men's high heel shoes? Think about it, my people. So let me read some more words from the same article. See? I wore men's shoes, but I suffered from it. I have long suffered from illnesses such as body aches and other ailments that numerous medical consultations could not cure. In my prayers, God himself revealed himself to me and advised me to wear these shoes that you see. Since then, have been running it 24/7. My pain is gone. And there are more words in the same article that I'm looking at, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, now if those words in those articles that I read are accurate, and if those words that I read in those articles are true, then a situation like that would be new to me. See? And I'm also wondering about members of the congregation. That is, if those words that I read in those articles are true. You see? Now, don't get me wrong, my people. I don't business with how a man or a woman want to live his or her life, That a feed them business and that a feed them decision. But as a man who know church and as a young youth from back in the days who grew up in a church and go church, me never see nothing like that before. So may I say, yeah man, me hear about barefoot pants and big heel boot where men wear. Me hear about them things about this, I don't know. So may I say, so my people, my question is, aren't there men's high heel shoes? Leave a comment or comments to let me know, viewers and subscribers, what you think. As I said, leave a comment and comments to let me know what's your answer. Alright, and I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up, respect and manners to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, man.
Hey yo, Skilla.